Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about downloading repositories. Now, I don't mean cloning, I don't mean forking, because we're going to save that for the next section. What I mean is actually downloading it. So I'm just going to go through, download this repository, the spoon knife repository, and I'm going to be showing you how to interact with it on your desktop. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and head over to the repository you want to download. Make sure that if you're going to distribute it, it's under an MIT license or something similar. So you're just going to go here and click on it and click download zip. Now what that's going to do is collect everything and put it in your downloads. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and open it in my GUI, because I'm not going to go through extracting things from zip files in the terminal. I'm not going to go through that yet, but I'm just going to find it here. So what you're going to do is go ahead and extract all. There you go. So now I have the folder open. So what I'm going to do is actually go ahead and drag this into my folders. And then in my folders, I'm going to drag it into my projects. So now what I'm going to do is go and just open up my path for my terminal, so I don't have to go and copy all of that again. So I'm just going to copy that, open up in Ubuntu terminal, and I'm going to just close all this down so it's a little bit easier to see. So then I'm going to cd into that, cd.ls. Now there we go, we have spoon knife master. So let's cd into that. So now let's list everything. You can see there's a lot of stuff here. Why don't we go ahead and check the git status, see what we get. You can see it says fatal, not a git repository. So this is a little bit weird. What's going on? What happens is when you download git repositories, I'm just going to open up the repository here. When you download it, what you're actually doing is collecting everything and putting the source files in here. It doesn't get any of the git files. Let me show you what I mean. If we go into projects, my new software, there's .git. If we go into my software, there's .git. If we go into spoon knife master, we don't see anything there. So this is why I recommend against downloading by zip. What I recommend is if you want to clone it, use HTTPS or SSH or whatever other method you want. Clone it, don't download it, because when you download it, what you're doing is taking the source files. And sure, that might be useful if you just want to tinker around with it, but if you're trying to integrate it into your project or somehow look at the history like I am, it's not really useful because all of the Git history and branches and all of that is gone. So we're not going to go over cloning or forking or pull requests now. I mean, we have gone over forking, but forking into your local repository, we're not going to go over that now. We're saving that for the next section where we bring Git and GitHub together. But just know that, just wanted to make a little update video telling you that if you're trying to download by zip and it's not working, giving you Git status or Git log or whatever you're trying to do and it's not working, that's why. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let's move on.